Hello, I'm Jarvis Hunt with Wayner Global, and today we're going to do some service work on our 10.7 Everchill refrigerator. And some of the tools you'll need is a screw gun with a Phillips bit and a small screwdriver. I'll show you how to remove the terminal block that is attached to the back of the refrigerator. You're going to want to remove your power and your ground wires coming from your coach. Then you're going to want to remove the power and ground wires coming from the refrigerator. And you got two screws that hold it to the refrigerator itself. And that is how you service the components on the 10.7 Everchill refrigerator.